Hi dear friend, thank you for joining me. It's me again, Esther Daniel, and today I'm going to show you how to make some fluffy shea butter conditioner, leave-in conditioner for your hair. Shea butter is well known for its very beneficial qualities, and it's a natural product from the Western African countries mostly, but even in the East African countries you can find it, especially in Uganda. The shea butter that I'm going to show you is a multi-use shea butter that I use for my hair and my skin. Now, shea butter has so many benefits, especially the moisturizing benefits. When it comes to hair, if you have dry, brittle hair, it will help restore the moisture of your hair, and it has vitamin A, E, and F, which are very essential for your hair and your scalp. It also helps in moisturizing your hair. I think that one I've said already. Repairs damaged hair, and it also prevents hair loss. If you have been experiencing hair loss, especially here on the edges and probably the sides, shea butter is the perfect butter to use. Also, if you have dry, itchy scalp, I used to have that. I am a witness when it comes to dry, itchy scalp. It will help you cure that. I used to scratch my head so bad, I didn't realize that all I needed was to use a natural, raw and refined shea butter, and everything went back to normal. Well, besides using other methods that I used, like not using a very harsh shampoo, also helped with that. So shea butter will help you, like really help you if you have dry, itchy scalp. Also, if your hair has split ends, shea butter will really help you. And by the way, if I'm talking about hair that is natural, because mine is natural, I've only used shea butter on my natural hair. Like you can see, I have dreadlocks. I've been using it on my natural hair. So I don't know about the other hair, but the processed hair, but I know that people use it even with processed hair. So probably if you start using it with processed hair, it will still help you. But I can only testify about my natural hair. Okay, girls? Now, the other thing is that it keeps your curls in place. If you have curls, like you can notice I had plaited my hair, some knots, and it has some not very defined curls, but I have curls nonetheless. And I have been using shea butter if I want them to be defined, or like to stick or to stay. It is really good. You can even use it on your natural hair, leave alone dreadlocks, like the normal natural hair. You can use it for your curls. It will really help you stick. I'll actually put a picture here of one of the YouTubers who use it, and her hair is beautiful and has curls. She also uses shea butter and it helps her hair. So if you have curls and you have natural hair, you can use it for that. The other one is that it's an effective natural hair conditioner. That is why I'm going to show you how to make it, because personally, I use it as my hair leave-in conditioner. If you have a moisture routine that you use, shea butter is not only going to help you seal the moisture after you. I will do a video of how I moisturize my hair, because I have a routine that I use, and I always use shea butter as the end product, because it not only helps you seal the moisture in, it also helps retain and restore moisture, and also benefits my scalp and hair in so many other ways. Those are just but a few benefits of shea butter that I've shared with you. In case you want to learn more about shea butter, I will put a link down below where you can click and check about shea butter. Again, these are products that I use personally, I've been using all the time, and I have seen them give me good results. Like you can see, I told you my hair is 4.5 years old right now, and I've been, despite me coloring it, I've been experiencing some issues over the time, and so far shea butter among other products have really helped me. That's why I keep sharing these tips with you, so that you can also grow your hair longer than mine, or even long if it's short. Okay, so let's go right ahead and make the shea butter without further ado. Just finished making the shea butter conditioner, and apparently, like you can see, I've made it, but apparently my camera did not get it. So I'm going to go back and do it all over again, because I want you guys to see exactly how I do it. Also, one thing that also happened was I broke my hand mixer. Last week I broke my electric one. It's not working. today I broke my hand mixer. So I'll have to go back to the whole process again and show you how I did this, how I got this. So let's start all over again. We are going to be needing shea butter, coconut oil, tea tree oil, and peppermint oil. The reason as to why I'm using these essential oils is because they have very nice scents. The raw unrefined shea butter has a very strong scent and doesn't smell so good to so many people. So when you use these two essential oils, they are going to diffuse the shea butter smell. And you can always use other oils. You can use grapeseed oil. You can mix as many oils as you want for your hair specific need. This time round I just want to use these 3 oils and the butter. So I'll now begin whisking this.
Sometimes I wonder why you keep talking like you don't give a fuck about me. You've got a piece of me, and honestly my life wouldn't be the same without you. And babe, we're not just friends, are we more than friends? We just have a man, don't you? You think I'm stone cold, tripping, man, I'm sick of being teased. I just want to load, yeah. Don't lie to me, no, no, don't lie to me, don't lie to me, don't lie to me, no, no, don't lie to me, no, no, don't lie to me, no. She moves like a dancing queen, she's attending for wish, and all this under my eyes. Please, babe, don't make.
Make sure you use room temperature butter and the oils. This will make it easier for you to whisk. I can't even imagine what could have happened if I was using frozen shea butter. This would have been so hard for me, especially now that I don't have a mixer and I really need to use this. So once you get to this, try to fluff it now. You fluff it by doing this, whisking it. At this point I realize I can use the whisk, but I really don't even want to. I've been disappointed enough times already with this whole process. So and I think the moral of the story is learn to improvise and learn to not give up. Even when things don't happen as you had expected them, when worst comes to worst, make good of the worst of the situation. Ooh, it's coming. It's coming along so well. You're going to whisk this until you notice it leaving a trace. When you apply it on your skin, you test it on your skin, notice it's leaving a trace, and then that's the perfect mixture right there.
Sometimes I wonder why you keep talking like you don't give a fuck about me. You've got a piece of me, and honestly my life wouldn't be the same without you. And babe, we're not just friends, are we more than friends? We just have a man, don't you? You think I'm stone cold, tripping, man, I'm sick of being teased. I just want to load, yeah. Don't lie to me, no, no, don't lie to me, don't lie to me, don't lie to me, no, no, don't lie to me, no, no, don't lie to me, no. She moves like a dancing queen, she's attending for wish, and all this under my eyes. Please, babe, don't make that move with your eyes. Shut the past is past, but my love still goes on your way. Don't lie to me.
Ta-da! I just finished making my second round fluffy shea butter conditioner. Like you guys noticed throughout the videos, I had so many problems, but thank God I'm here because I learned not to quit, and you also should learn never to quit. This is what I made, long story short. I hope you guys can see it. It's fluffy, it's lovely, it smells nice, and when I apply it to the skin, it feels heavy but not too heavy. It's the right kind of heavy, and I can't wait for it to be absorbed and to protect my skin and my hair. So this shea butter, I'm going to be using it for my hair and my skin. That's why I used very minimal yet effective oils. You can also add so many oils as you want, like I mentioned earlier. And when you're applying this to your skin, you definitely need to scoop just a little, especially if you're going for the hair. You don't want to overcloud or to bulk your hair with so many oils or butters. So you just scoop a little. This is a little bit much. Scoop a little. Tap, tap, tap. And voila. There we go.
Acceptance foolish and so vain. Oh no, I never told you that I love you. When all you did, you took from me. But honey, if you ever leave me, I'll never make it okay. Oh no, oh no. Oh no.
So there you are. The edges are looking and smelling and very much moisture retained. Now, if you are applying this to your hair, you're going to still scoop a little, rub that in your hands like that, and then apply like that. I'm sure my hair is thanking me for this because this shea butter, it's everything. I've tried using other butters and this took out for me. The shea butter that I use, it's amazing. The moisture retention content is higher than in other oils or butters. It's no wonder it's loved throughout the world. Most products have been made from shea butter nowadays because one of the qualities that shea butter has that not so many other butters have, or so many other natural oils, it is picked directly from nature. So you can imagine the nutrients level is not yet deteriorated. It still have its nutrients. You can imagine how many nutrients are here. So that's it, guys. Thank you for joining me. In case you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see more in my channel as I share more lifestyle, DIYs, and music videos. If you have been a frequent visitor, I thank you for watching. I thank you for the support. I thank you for always giving me feedback. God bless you, keep you, maintain you. And until we see each other next time, bye-bye.
When all you did, you took from me.